Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this vacuum sealer for airtight and watertight food storage which preserves flavor from Silvercrest. Connection for vacuum sealing food storage containers and bags with a vacuum valve. 3-meter vacuum sealer roller included at the box. Microwave safe up to 70 Celsius. Wet and dry function. Soft function. 125 watt power consumption. PBA free with a 3 years warranty. Indicator light for monitoring the vacuum and sealing process, and it is ideal for sous-vide cooking. Let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. And of course inside we're gonna find out the manual. If you want to read it, it's your choice, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. And here it is, the device on a beautiful white color. You can choose and black color. Glossy. The cable it is about 1 meter. Included at the box we have the vacuum tubes, 2, 60 centimeter each tube, and at the tube we can connect the adapters. The A adapter it is for Ernesto containers and Food Saver lunch boxes. Very easy to connect, unplug. This adapter it is for Food Saver freshness containers. In front both adapters they have this silicone rubber. It helps for better sealing. And the last one, this is for Casa containers and Food Saver storage boxes. And the tube, I can connect the tube here. And included we have this sealing ring replacement. You can replace that after a long time of use. You need to replace that. Here it is the collector for the liquids. You can remove that and clean it. Here it is the welding wire. With a welding wire you can seal the bag. At the top we have another sealing ring here. If you want you can remove that and replace. And here we have this sealing silicone rubber. When I'm pushing with my fingers it locks and it helps to seal the bag. Press and unlock. Press and locks. And at the front we have the 5 buttons with LED indicators, the wet function for moist food, the vacuum function for containers and bags with valve, the seal film function no vacuum, the vacuum and seal film function, and the soft function for pressure sensitive food. So that was all about. And at the back we have the cable management. You can store this unit wherever you want. Just have the cable here. For silicone rubber at the feet, prevents any movement when it's working. It stays very secure, I like that. So let's plug it in and see how it works. All the LEDs are on. Now we have this roller. To start the sealing, we need to seal first this side. And use the seal film only. Red LED is on. that was all. Release. And we have a perfect sealing here. So you need to cut with a scissor the dimension of the bag. I will try first with the rice, dry food. Unfortunately, this model, it doesn't have a cutting method at the unit. Other models that I made in the past video, they have a cutting method. You can just install the bag, slide, and it will cut the bag. So, for this unit, we can use only the scissor. The maximum, it is 30 centimeters you can use at this unit. You need to place the end of the bag inside here at the collector for liquids. And then press and lock. Now we need the vacuum and seal film function. There it is. Wow, we can see two red LEDs. Now it's sealing, flashing, and that was all. Wow, like a rock. Thumbs up, I like it. And again, the same process. We need to seal this end first. Of course, at the market you can buy pre-cutted bags in different dimensions. And now I will use this smoked turkey. It has a little bit of moisture. And I will use the wet function. The LED light, it is green, and then I need to use the vacuum and seal film. Wow, so cool. Flashing, finish. That was all. Preserve your food. I like it. And again, repeat the same process, sealing this end. And now I will use these boiled bits. And again, for moist food, vacuum and seal. I like it. Beautiful. And now let's try with coffee. Preserve the freshness of the coffee. You can use the soft and then vacuum and seal. That was all. Wow. and you can do that and with coffee beans. And I will use these vegetables, fruits for now, apple. And you can cancel if you want. But I'm not going to cancel that because I want you to see the collector for liquids. There's the collector for liquids because the apple has some moisture. And of course you can clean that. Wow, I like it. And with the moisture of the apple, the sealing was very good. Now sometimes you need to wait because it needs to be cooled down, the heating element here, and after a few seconds you can use it again. And now the carrots. Now the carrots, they don't have so much moisture, so I can use the regular vacuum and sealing. Wow. And for my last test, I will use this chicken. Because you can use the chicken for sous vide cooking. You can add the chicken, all the ingredients, salt, pepper, lemon, whatever you want, it depends the recipe. Soft, and then vacuum and sealing. And that was all. Seal it very well. Ready for cooking. I like it. So you can use so many ingredients from your kitchen. I'm sure you will find the right one for you and preserve your food for a long time. And the cost, it is so low. It costs only 30 euros. I like it. So now I don't have any lunch boxes or storage boxes to use this tube. In the future I will do a video using this tube. I'm sure it will do a great job. I like it, thumbs up. So many materials, so many food, and preserve a long time of flavor. Like the coffee. If you need that kind of product at your kitchen, for me, thumbs up, just buy it and do your job. Until my next video, my viewers, don't forget to subscribe, share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.